You might be frustrated right now with your compositing results. Every time you try to match a subject with a background, it always looks unrealistic. I know exactly what it's like because I was there and I was frustrated too. I was reading articles, books, watching tutorials that were very limited and didn't explain the basics you need to learn first to make great edits. Only when I learned the crucial elements that need to be present in a composition was I able to create realistic and impressive images. Buckle up because today I have something special for you that will give you the results you've always been looking for. Introducing Photoshop Compositing. Combine any subject with any background like a pro. In this course you will learn how to Step 1. Do realistic image blending, how to composite and match any subject to any background and create a cohesive composite like a pro. Step 2. Master color correction and grading, how to master color correction and grading using adjustment layers and color maps. Step 3. Create depth of field, you will learn how to create realistic camera depth of field effect using depth maps. Step 4. Match perspective. Perspective is one of the most important aspects of a composite and learning how to match subject scaling with a horizon line is key. Step 5. Make clean and non-destructive selections. You will learn how to extract a subject from the background, make clean selections and remove fringing. Step 6. Master luminosity matching with check layers. Matching luminosity is crucial to a realistic composite. Before doing any color correction, you will learn how to use check layers to match luminosity easily. This course is for you if you don't know how to choose the best images. You'll discover why your editing is not working and learn how to pick the right images with the right lighting. You are unsatisfied with your editing result. You work for hours on an edit only to find out that you're not happy with it and something is not right about it. Does that sound familiar? You find it difficult to fix perspective. I'll show you how to match perspective and horizon line to get realistic results. You find it hard to match a subject with background. You will walk away from this training with a game plan and total clarity. By the end of this course you will know exactly what to do to blend multiple images together and apply the techniques you learned to create amazing and realistic images in Photoshop even if you are a complete beginner to Photoshop compositing. Free bonus, RetutStudio's photo editing presets. Get access to the presets I use for compositing and retouching to speed up my workflow. Hair, clouds, stars, grass, smoke and more. Luminosity, color, and saturation check actions, frequency separation actions, and more. Get a course certificate upon completion. All RetutStudio courses come with a certificate of completion and you will be able to download it from your account dashboard as soon as you complete the course. Your instructor, Rabi Mombi, is a digital artist and an online instructor. He has been in this industry for over 6 years and will teach you how to master Photoshop and compositing. What students are saying. 100% risk-free money-back guarantee. If for any reason, you don't like this amazing offer, you can get a full refund anytime within 30 days after your purchase. Contact me and I will either try to help you or give you a swift refund, but I can guarantee that you will love it.